Okay. Our neighbors came over, shoveled out this huge mound of snow we have. Of course, it's still on the van right now, but this is what it's hard to really be able to appreciate just how deep it is right here. Mail won't be able to run for a year. That's our mailbox right there. It's completely covered almost. This right here is part of the street, but you couldn't tell it. This is like approaching up into our yard, our drive.
You believe it? I never seen this much snow in my life. We have 14 inches of snow, 14 feet of snow in Oklahoma.
14 inches of snow in Tulsa, but right here in our yard, we've easily got 20. And there's several snow drifts that are probably a good 3 feet, 4 feet tall.
I've never seen it this bad ever. It's amazing. And just a few days ago, we were like 78 degrees here in Oklahoma. That's absolutely incredible. I need to build me a snow vehicle. My wheelchair does not so good in big snow, but thanks to our neighbors, I can get around in it better now. Thank you.
Yeah, our neighbors completely dug our whole driveway out for us. I mean, we weren't going anywhere for a good week. They've shoveled it down to where we can at least. It's just amazing how tall this is. I ought to get a ruler to show you just how tall that